This is Nate with Behind the Glass. Today I'm going to show you how I do warm-up sketches. I like to take any pen, a Sharpie even would be nice, but I hold it from the back end. So I picked an image. We're gonna go with this fun guy here. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. So the reason I like to do this for myself, gets out all the bad sketching, just leaves you with the good sketches. Nothing but good drawings at this point. So I just sit here and I work. I barely pick up my pen from a little curl. And then you see, I just keep working the drawing. So now that I've got myself nice and warmed up, I feel confident that I can go and do a really nice illustration. This may look like complete, utter gibberish. When you just sit down and you scribble, these outcomes that you get here are pretty dark sometimes. Sometimes it projects an emotion that you're feeling. I really hope this wasn't a feeling. This one scares me a little bit. But then, yeah, you just give it a good scribble and you find yourself with a really fun illustration. And then maybe there's something in there that you can use. But for the most part, it just gets the bad drawing out of your hands and out of your mind, and it sets it up for you to sit down and do a really good illustration. So this is Nate with Behind the Glass.